Sweet. This thing has to be bolted here. Everything's got to be test fitted. And I mean, you can't weld on anything until the other 3 pipes are in place. I didn't even put the collars on the end on yet and the caps. What the heck's the point, right? But it was a little brown from splatter, but that's really nice. You can see it. Damn thing will focus. But that's it, baby. Megaphones. And these aren't the little ones. These are 4-inch. 4-inch. I went by the curve, and I was like, you know what? I like this to start right in the middle, and I'll square it up on the other side. Do the same thing. Just square. If I could find it. But it's friggin' hot in here. I turned my little blower fan on over there. Works really good. But you can't have that on when you're welding. Okay, use my little, grinder with an Oxide Flapper, and works beautiful. Just take your time. Well, I'm on call this weekend, so I kid you not, I just got home, got another call, and then found out they didn't want it till Monday anyway. I notched out my 2 pipes, and I marked them so I can pull it out. And you can see where I gotta clear the holes. No, it's an overlap, no big deal. I gotta go in a little bit and clean it out. But I want to make the swoop one first, so I'll do that first. Here's my left. Here's my right. I'm gonna put a little gap between that because I want to be able to weld completely around these things. I like the 2 in the center straight. Swooping the last one isn't going to be too bad. Not a big deal. I changed it from 8.5 to 9.5. I've got to center my transmission before I can even think of making the other side because I noticed it's off to the left about 1 inch or ½ inch. So I got to get that rubber mount, make the center hole, drill all those brackets, and put spacers in them and all that crap before I can really even think of welding any of these tubes in. I've still got I can play in and out, so it's not a big deal, but we've got to get it right, and we only got 1 shot. That's the balls. So curve, straight curve. Let's have some more fun. I think I'll grind the curved one. But I really have to go in. This is a really quick update. I'm lucky I had time to do this, but you know, you get excited about things and you just start cracking on them, and then somebody steps all over you.
You gonna show Noodle?
Is Tyler holding Noodle? Bring Noodle over here. Noodle! Look at his poor little legs. Hi, buddy. What you doing?
I let Flipper win too.
No, it's okay.